Welcome to the world of strength and fitness. Want to get the most out of your back exercises? In this video, we'll show you the best and most effective exercises to improve your back strength, which will help you achieve amazing results. We'll take you on a scientific journey to understand how your back muscles work and how to target each group correctly. We won't stop at just exercises. We'll delve into the biological details that make these muscles the centerpiece of strength and flexibility. Imagine working out like a professional trainer with a deep understanding of the importance of each movement. We'll reveal the secrets athletes use to take their performance to new levels. Get ready for an experience full of challenge, learning, and inspiration, where you can turn your back exercises into a tool for creating a stronger, more balanced body. Let's get started. 1. Back muscle structure. Physiological basis. The back is not just a single muscle, but rather consists of a complex group of muscles that work together to stabilize and move the body. Back muscles can be classified into three main groups. Deep muscles. These include the muscles that support the spine, such as the muscles that extend along the spine and the lumbar muscles. These muscles work to protect the spine and prevent excessive stress on it, and contribute to the stability of the body during movements. Large muscles, such as the lateral muscles, the latissimus dorsi, which extend from the lower back to the sides. These muscles play a vital role in movements that require pulling and pushing, such as lifting weights. Small muscles. They are located between the shoulder and the spine, such as the semi-spinal muscles that contribute to moving the shoulder and regulating posture. Although they are small compared to other muscles, they play an important role in the precise control of shoulder movement and ensuring stability. Each part of these muscles works in coordination with the other parts to ensure that movements are correct, flexible, and effective. This harmony between the deep, large, and small muscles is what gives the back its strength and flexibility. 2. Back muscle functions: support, movement, and balance. The back muscles perform a range of vital functions that contribute to maintaining physical health and quality of life. Here are some of the basic functions of the back muscles. Providing support. The muscles surrounding the spine support it, reducing pressure on the vertebrae and ligaments. This support prevents injuries that may result from daily movements or strenuous physical activities. Improving movement. The back muscles allow the spine to move flexibly and safely, including bending, pulling, and rotating. Thanks to these muscles, the body can perform a wide range of complex and easy movements alike. Balancing forces. The back muscles contribute to distributing weight evenly throughout the body during movements. This helps maintain balance and reduces pressure on certain areas, such as joints and front muscles, which prevents injuries. 3. The importance of training the back muscles. Enhancing performance and protection. Back exercises are not only limited to building muscle strength, but also contribute to improving athletic performance and providing protection against injuries. Here is how training the back muscles can make a big difference in your life. A. Enhancing daily performance. Strong back muscles make daily activities easier and smoother. For example, when your back muscles are strong, it becomes easier and safer to carry heavy objects or perform complex movements such as bending or pulling. Strong back muscles also help reduce fatigue from repetitive daily tasks. By strengthening your back muscles, you can reduce chronic back pain and improve spinal stability. Strong back muscles prevent excessive pressure on the vertebrae and ligaments, which reduces the likelihood of a herniated disc or other back-related injuries. C. Improving posture and self-confidence. Strong back muscles help improve your posture, giving you a more upright and confident appearance. When you strengthen your back muscles, you tend to stand up straight, which reflects positively on your appearance and boosts your self-confidence. 4. Back muscle training strategies. Effective and safe exercise. When you start training your back muscles, it is important to diversify your exercises and focus on targeting all different parts of the back. This diversity helps achieve muscle balance and reduces the risk of injury. Here are some effective strategies to get the most out of them. A. Variety in exercises. Your exercises should include a variety of movements that target different parts of the back. By incorporating exercises that focus on the large muscles, such as the lateral muscles, and the small muscles, such as the muscles between the shoulder blades and the spine, you can improve overall back strength. Compound exercises such as weightlifting and exercises that include pulling and pushing will be an essential part of your overall back strengthening routine. B. Correct use of weights. It is important to start training your back muscles using light weights, especially if you are a beginner. This allows your body to gradually adapt to the exercises and improve your technique. Over time, you can gradually increase the weights to stimulate muscle growth and increase strength. It is important to avoid loading weights that are too heavy at first to avoid injury. C. Focus on technique. Proper technique when performing exercises is crucial. When you use the correct technique, you can target the muscles more effectively and reduce the risk of injury. Make sure your back is straight during exercises to avoid putting too much pressure on your spine and joints.
5. Nutrition and rest tips for recovery. In addition to effective training, proper nutrition and rest play a major role in enhancing the strength of your back muscles. Proper nutrition: make sure you eat enough protein to support muscle growth. Carbohydrates also play a role in providing energy during exercise, which helps improve performance. Rest and recovery. Your back muscles need time to recover after exercise. Make sure to take adequate rest periods between exercises to ensure that your muscles recover and grow properly. Journey to a strong and healthy back training. Your back muscles is an investment in your overall health and quality of life. By combining proper exercises, proper nutrition, and good rest, you can build strong and flexible back muscles that will support you in every aspect of your life. Whether you are looking to improve your athletic performance or relieve chronic back pain, strengthening your back muscles is an essential step to achieving these goals. We hope you have found this information useful and are ready to explore the power of your back muscles. Keep up with regular training, practice safety techniques, and enjoy the transformation that will happen in your life. On the occasion of the new year, a special offer on online training for 6 months. Join our online training now. Let me be your guide. With online training, you will not only get a customized system that suits your needs, but you will gain the knowledge and support you need to achieve your goals.